The chance to go to different countries and learn different cultures is only a way to expand your own knowledge and how you teach and how you interact with students in the future.
I was in Bhutan for the whole trip maybe took about 3 weeks. I met with professors in a new college. I was there to train the trainer or facilitate a train the trainer program.
Before I took on this, I had never heard of IDI or the International Development Institute. Once getting involved, I was so impressed with what IDI does. Just so impressed with what they do in helping other areas, other countries. The trainers that I had with me were very excited, very interested in learning. And from my perspective, what I had to do was help them understand how we teach a class here.
I was going there with my Humber background, course outline, textbooks, exercises, going into Bhutan with expectations and that were blown out of the water. There is a lot of work to be done there, but the people are beautiful inside and out, and it's been a pleasure working with them.
They were very excited to show me and introduce me to their culture. We got there on the King's birthday. We got to visit the celebrations for the King. We also were taken around the capital of Thimphu. We were introduced to the local artisans and what they did. We went to a heritage village. People in the heritage village invited us into their homes. They did a special evening for me also to help me introduce to their culture. My advice to other educators, if they had an opportunity like this, is to definitely say yes immediately.
Your passion for your subject is going to allow you to meet any adverse situations head on.
The opportunity to meet different people, experience their culture, to be able to do something like that, to me, is an honor. You get to learn from them as much as you get to take your own knowledge and help people. That's teaching is, giving back, helping to move forward.